Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Cabinet approves government's MOI policy. Force decides to welcome government decision. Youth supporting Maaybhaas meet CM, return empty-handed. Congress government did not deposit 109 crore rupees of government employees pension fund, reveals CM. Government on way to formulate new Sheikh and Marine policy, new RP in 6 months. Facebook group supporting regional languages criticize CM, feel betrayed, many still under shock. Jagmeet Singh Brar may be replaced as a fallout of Korthani Congress debacle. High Command asks why a dummy candidate was not fielded. And it's time for Euro Cup. Sports shop gear up with Euro 2012 merchandise. Jersey sales are slow, but shop owners are anticipating rush. Now the news in detail. Cabinet on Wednesday approved government's medium of instruction policy. Chief Minister informed that new schools in regional language will be permitted only if the nearby government school has a student strength of less than 40. On the other side, youth supporting regional languages met CM on the issue and returned empty-handed. Sources say force is all set to welcome government's decision.
There are 152 non-grant-in-aid schools. 152 English schools, non-grant, which had gone to English medium, कारण ह्या शाळांक मराठी किंवा कोंकणी मिडियम मेळना असलें परमिशन न मेळपाचें कारण की खंय तरी आजूबाजूक सरकारी प्राथमीक न चलणारी शाळा म्हणजे 7 भुरगीं आशिल्लीं 12 भुरगीं आशिल्लीं शाळा आसताली एका किलोमिटरा भितर. Today's cabinet decision has relaxed that clause. Any school less than 40 is not being calculated while giving permission. Less than 40. Less than 40 school in a school, not class, students, then that will not be counted for giving permission to Kokni Marathi school. Distance criteria काढून ना, पण जर न चलणारी शाळा मरान आसा इन शॉर्ट 40 सकयल म्हणजे न चलणारी अशी शाळा गृहीत धरली वचची ना परमिशन डिनाय करपाक. कितें जातालें नाल्यार ताका इंग्लिशीन परमिशन मेळटालें कोंकणी मराठीन मेळनासलें. सो इट द स्कूल गव्हर्मेंट स्कूल विथ सम 30 स्टुडंट or 20 स्टुडंट was becoming actually progressing, was forcing grant-in-aid schools or private schools to go into English. So we have withdrawn that. त्यामुळे म्हाका आतां सकाळचे कालच्यान 6 स्कुलां तरी म्हजे कडेन पावली की जी आमी कोंकणीन शिकयता किंवा मराठीन शिकयता आमकां मेळटलें काय म्हूण विचारपाक. माय होप इज दॅट आउट ऑफ दॅट 152 एटलीस्ट 50 schools will switch over to Kokni Marathi if grant is made available. This is the target.
Former Deputy Speaker and Daboli MLA Marvin Gudino praised CM for handling the situation so delicately, given the fact that MOI issue had created a deep divide in the Goan society. He said that Parrikar is a true leader. Gudino also said that Chief Minister has very cleverly kept his promise to his traditional voters and at the same time not hurting the new converts to his party. Meanwhile, Executive Committee of the Force had a meeting in South Goa on Wednesday to discuss and decide its official stand on government's MOI policy. Sources say that the Force is in principle of the opinion that government's MOI policy should be welcomed and should not provoke other stakeholders and sections of society. It has been also decided that the Executive Committee should officially react on the government's policy only after receipt of formal communication from the government. Our reporters Pratik Parab and Savio Dias with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Chief Minister on Wednesday revealed that previous Congress government has not deposited around 109 crore of the government employees' pension money. CM informed that the government is in debt for IT returns too. The government is on its way to formulate a new Shacks and Marine Operations policy. The new regional plan will be formulated in the next 6 months. CM also informed that due to non-cooperation of the central government in setting up Madai Tribunal, Goa government has approached the Supreme Court.
तुमकां काँग्रेस आर्थीक हे सांगू हांव स्थिती तांच्यांनी निर्माण केल्ली 2008 पासून दिगंबर कामतीन एकूय पयसो सरकारी नोकरांचो पळय कापला पेन्शनाक कितें म्हणटा तो पेन्शन मरे तें टर्मिनल बेनिफीट एकूय पयसो डेपोजीट करूं ना NSDLाक 109 crores are the liability today. Yesterday I have given orders and money, both to deposit 49 crores out of it. 109 कोटी जे सरकारी कर्मचाऱ्यांचे पैसे NSDLा कडे वचूंक जाय आसले 2008 पासून ते पैसे फाटल्या सरकारान धाडून ना किंवा वेगळे काडूनय दवरून ना 109 कोटीची लायबिलिटी आहा. आयज हांवें डायरेक्शन दिला इमिजिएटली 49 कोटी धाडा म्हणून आनी हे वर्स सोंपच्या पयलीं एकूण एक पयसो पावूंक जाय. लायटीचे जाले PWDचे जाले आतां हेजे पेन्शनाचे सांगले तुका आनीक सांगूंक जाय तें सांगता. NCCचे ह्या ऑफीस आशिल्ले 7 वर्सां भाडें भरूंक नासलें. हय इलेक्ट्रीक डिपार्टमेंटाचे उदकाचे पेमेंट इरिगेशनाक जावंक नासलें. कितले सांगूंक जाय सांगीत रावता हांव. इन्कम टॅक्स डिडक्शन्स हॅव नॉट बीन पेड. Fishing ban has been kept like that only because there are two groups creating chaos about it. But my intention is to increase the ban period, which some of them supported. Next year we will see that it is increased to at least 60 to 75 days. After the season is over, now the season is over, the sea will be rough. In September, there has to be. I am making it very clear. We are coming out with good shack policy. I am in discussion with my minister, with the department officials. Let me have the discussion with the stakeholders, say up to June end. In July we will come with a shack policy which will include marine policy of operation. That means these equipments will be restricted to certain areas only.
What is the status of the tribunal? What are interpol
We have moved to Supreme Court, asking Supreme Court to direct Government of India to give adequate resources to the tribunal for functioning. Government of India has appointed tribunal, but they have not given them resources, including office, manpower. So Supreme Court कडे आमी अर्ज केला की Government of India डायरेक्शन दिवचे की tribunal functional करूंक. Dispute between the two states. I will fight for Goa's right. Karnataka is not going to solve the problem. उदकाचे तांचे कितले प्रॉब्लेम कोणा बरोबर आहा ते पळय मागीर तुका कळटलें.
A reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Get well soon, Digambar Kamath. A Facebook group feels that Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has betrayed them on the MOI issue. Decision of the Chief Minister Parrikar to continue grants to primary schools that had switched over to English has shocked the Facebook community. Watch this report.
Yugang Naik commented on Facebook that sentiments of common men who came on street are at stake. No one expected this from Manohar Parrikar. Rahul Naik comments, फुटेलो रे फुटेलो गोंयकाराक फुटेलो आता गोंयकाराची सटकली रे. Vaibhavi Kanekar says grants to English medium schools will lower the number of Konkani schools by 70%. Ahraz Mullah feels name of the group needs to be changed to Get Well Soon Manohar Parrikar. Amaya Kamath comments that आता अख्खें गोंय रावला Manohar Parrikar Get Well Soon group केन्ना सुरू जाता तो पळोवपाक. He also comments that Manohar Parrikar's decision on MOI can be summed up in one word, Vishwasghat. Only few have welcomed and supported the decision of the Parrikar-led government. Get Well Soon Digambar Kamath group met the Chief Minister on Wednesday.
आमी सीएमाक अपील केल्ले की कॅबिनेट डिसिजन जावचे पयलीं आमी ह्या हेजेर डिबेट करपाक सोदता म्हणून एक ओपन डिबेट. पूण ऑलरेडी आज सकाळी कॅबिनेट डिसिजन जालें म्हणून आमी सांजचे वचून अर्जंटली सीएमाक मेळ्ळे. सो तशें आमकां उलोवपाक मेळूं ना. तांच्यान सांगलां ह्या 2 दिसां भितर आमकां एक मिटींग दिता आनी त्या प्रमाणे डिस्कस करता. आमचो एक्शन प्लॅन आमी हेजे मुखार थरयतले कित्याक हेजे पयलीं सुद्दां आमी केन्नाय कितें केलां तें सगळ्या लोकांक ग्रुपांतल्या सगळ्या मेंबरांक कन्वेन्शन घेवन कन्सिडर करूनच केलां सो हे बीन आमी एक CMक मेळटकीर 1-2 दिसां भितर रोखडें कन्वेन्शन घेतलें आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमचो मुखावेलो प्लॅन ऑफ एक्शन थरयतले. आमी रावल्या विष्णू वाघ कितें स्टेटमेंट दिता ते, कित्याक ते आमच्या वांगडा पयलींच्यान आशिल्ले, आमच्या यूथ मुवमेंटान सामके ते आमचे बरोबर आशिल्ले. आमी अपील करता विष्णू वाघाक की तांणी फुडें येवन आपलो स्टँड हांगा क्लियर करचो म्हणून.
A reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agiyar, with video journalist Omkar Farari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.